What? What, Lucy? What you saying? What, kitty? What, Lucy? Really? What would you like? Really? Okay. And what else? That too? Would you like a pet? Do you like pets? No? Would you like potato chips? That's what you'd like. I don't think so. Potato chips are bad for you. They're bad for me, they're bad for you. Hey, Lucy.